Hello gardening enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're embarking on a delightful journey through the enchanting world of flowering vines. These are not just visually stunning additions to your garden, but also serve as beautiful symbols of affection and charm. Ready to weave some romance into your garden? Let's climb into this floral adventure. First, we uncover romantic and passionate vines, each symbolizing unique aspects of love and connection. Symbolizing sweetness and affection, honeysuckle's sweet scent and nectar are perfect metaphors for a relationship filled with love and care. Known for its intoxicating aroma, jasmine represents a deep emotional and physical connection, a true emblem of sensuality. The complex beauty of clematis flowers symbolizes the intricacies and beauty of a loving intellectual relationship. Next up are the nurturing and supportive vines. Wisteria, which can live for many years, often climbing sturdy structures, symbolizing a long-lasting supportive relationship. Hardy and evergreen, ivy represents a lasting, faithful bond, a testament to enduring love. Moving on to symbolic and traditional vines. Morning glory flowers bloom anew each day, representing fresh starts and ongoing affection in a relationship. The trumpet creeper, with its large, eye-catching flowers, symbolizes a relationship that's bold and stands out. Now, let's explore the exotic and unique vines. With its complex structure and vibrant colors, the passion flower is emblematic of an intense and passionate relationship. Bougainvillea, known for its bright and cheerful blossoms, signifies a relationship full of happiness and celebration. Lastly, we have the versatile and adaptable vines. Known for its adaptability, the Virginia creeper mirrors a flexible, resilient relationship. The small but fragrant sweet pea flowers symbolize the simple joys and pleasures of love. We hope you enjoy this floral journey through the world of flowering vines that double as symbols of affection and charm. If you found this video informative and inspiring, show us some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more gardening tips, plant wonders, and fascinating insights. Until next time, happy gardening and take care.